Gen Zs, stop being soft. Millennials naman, stop being insensitive. Okay na ba? Pinagbigyan ko na kayo pareho. Come on! Hindi naman ito competition ng kung sino ang mas tama. Gen Zs, seryoso ba? Makorek ka lang ng konti, toxic na agad ang tingin mo sa kanila. Millennials naman, seryoso din ba? Mag-disagree lang sa'yo, disrespectful na. Come on! Insecurity nyo yan pareho, both sides. Here's some context. Millennials lived in the hustle age. Alam nila yung grind, alam nila yung toughness required to survive. Gen Zs naman grew up connected. Hence, they understand empathy, mental health, and expressions. Therefore, hindi mo kailangan pumili ng side. Pwede ka namang matuto sa parehong henerasyon. Gen Zs, matuto kayo sa millennials. They paved the road you're enjoying today. Millennials naman, matuto rin kayo sa mga Gen Zs. They remind us na tao pa rin tayo and it's better to empathize and connect. So ano ang point? For both generations, stop acting superior. Pwede naman tayo matuto sa isa't isa. Sabi nga ni Kuya Kim it's always better to be extra kind.